Hi, it's Julie here from Soul Sparklets Art. Welcome to the inside of the Glitterbombers High portal. So Glitterbombers High is designed for middle and high schoolers, and especially what we're interested in is really helping them find their own style, because we know that some teens are really going to love clay. We know that some are going to be sketchers, some are going to be painters, and we want them to really be doing art that speaks to them instead of just drawing a circle over and over. So here's a brief tour of the portal for our Glitterbombers High members. So we have upcoming bundles, and we'll get over, we'll talk about this in a minute, which is our elemental curriculum that we have for our middle and high schoolers. So this front page here, as we scroll down, is just information that we're letting our members know. So is there a bundle coming? Is there a special event? So we're going to have that here. This is all about the new curriculum that's coming out, which is elemental, middle, and high school. And as we go down, it gets into class recordings. So once a month, we have a class just for teens and tweens. It's a half an hour long. It's completely optional. It can be talking about special things to do with pencils. It can be talking about how to use implied texture. It can be how to draw ice, something like that can be really tricky for kids that we want to teach them. So we have those recordings right here. So as they scroll down, we're going to find the Glitter Blast magazine, which is a very, very quick magazine that kind of shows them what's coming with that theme. So it'll show them the projects that are here. It will also give them a little bit information about the theme, some fun facts, something interactive. And then we have our how to draw and sketching practice, because we know that the more that you draw, the better your drawing it gets. That's just because drawing is a skill. So when we have things like this slug here where kids can draw it and they can just sketch it with a pencil, or they can turn it into a completely beautiful art project of their own. So that is what these sketching prompts are. And we have our new ones here, and then the rest are divided into these categories. Here's our new bundle right here, and it scrolls through just like something like Netflix. So we have misunderstood animals. We have projects that are air dry clay. We have projects that are Procreate, watercolors, markers, things that are interactive as they scroll down, Asian and Pacific voices. But we just really want to inspire teens to, look around and find things to create in their own way. So this first section is all done by bundle, but as you scroll down here, you're going to find them by art supply. So here we have painting in pastels, drawing, sculpture in 3D, and so on. And of course, we have a next button because we are just adding more and more for our members here. Whoops. Scroll too far. Printmaking and stamping. This one, they are learning how to carve an eraser. This one is mixed media. But again, we have a huge variety of projects for teens to have fun, experiment, learn about different supplies, and really just find what they love. But at the same time, as they're creating these projects, they're learning valuable art skills and step-by-step instructions and videos to level them up in the way that they want to be best supported. Now, the other thing that our Glitterbombers High members have access to is elemental, middle, and high. So here is Elemental 1, Middle, and High, all about the elements of art, and it's scaffolded in 3 lessons per element. So at the time of this recording, color is out. Line will be coming out next. There's a new one every single month. Depending on when you're seeing this, the whole thing could be out by now, but it's all skill building. So this is designed for students who either know the elements of art and they want to just take them deeper, or maybe they are starting art for the first time and they don't know about the basic elements of art yet. So this is a really great way to just give them a little bit of a crash course and get them going. So I hope you enjoyed this very brief tour of Glitterbombers High. Hope you consider to join us. Again, Glitterbombers High is designed for middle and high schoolers. And if you have any questions about either Glitterbombers High, and which one is right for you, your kids, or your students, write us at support@soulsparklets.com, and we will be happy to help point you in the right direction. Okay, everyone, until next time, bye.